Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. If you like what you see here, go ahead and subscribe, tell your friends. So today we're going to talk about Microsoft Fabric. Now, if you've been in the Microsoft 365 ecosystem for a while, you would have noticed something new that's popping up, and you would have gotten some free licenses for Microsoft Fabric. What is Microsoft Fabric? So think of it like one solution for all your analytics needs. Basically, it's a push into the platform as a service realm. Instead of having individual systems, like your warehousing, your SQL servers, your data lakes, your analytics for, like Power BI. Instead of having those individual systems out there, combine them together, do some great integration, and offer it as a service. That's what Microsoft did. If you have disparate analytic solutions, you might have one for your financials, you might have one for your systems, one for your data centers. So you might have multiple analytic systems out there. Well, you can combine all of them into one, and then you can really start to see some relationships between different systems. Not only that, but all the data now sits in one place. So here are some of the things that make Microsoft Fabric. You have your data engineering. We have Data Factory. So Azure Data Factory, you may have heard of that. It has over 200 native connectors. And Data Factory's been out there for a while, so this is an existing service. So all these are like existing services kind of combined and integrated together. We have data science, we have data warehouse, we have real-time analytics, we have Power BI. And all of them on the back end are driven by OneLake. So OneLake is something new. So you may have heard of Lakehouse, and so it's one place for all your data to sit. And really that's what is the foundation to Microsoft Fabric. This system is built on top of Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. So they've taken what they had, they've extended it, integrated it better, and made it a part of Microsoft Fabric. That's what Microsoft Fabric is. Now you have one place where you can ingest all your data, and then you can run different analytics on top of that for different departments. Even so, you can have your one Microsoft Fabric. You might do your own internal departmental analytics through Microsoft Fabric, but then you might expose a part of it to external entities as well. So it's just basically one place for you to have all your analytics requirements in there. So this is something new. Not everybody has Microsoft Fabric licenses yet. The other thing is the Microsoft Fabric licenses right now are free. Now, of course, if you're keeping data somewhere, wherever you're keeping the data, you still have to pay for the storage, but the actual Microsoft Fabric license is free. So that's just an overview of what that new license is that you see in your Microsoft Office 365 or Microsoft 365. Easily do analytics across your entire organization. So hopefully that helps you out, and the way you can test it, if you have those free licenses showing up in your tenant, go ahead and give them to a few users, try them out, and see how it works. One of the things I know internally, like we've kind of struggled with a little bit, is to have one system for all your cloud analytics, and then another system for some of your open source technologies and those analytics. Some people run Splunk, whatever it is. Well, no need to do that anymore. Just bring everything into Microsoft Fabric, and it's one experience for everybody across multiple departments or even organizations. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you next week.